It's a Mamma Mia! I guess where we're at today. We're at a place very special, the home of NASCAR. Very, very first race, 1948. It happened all here, right on this very, very spot. You know what? We're gonna take a look around. You're gonna see some interesting things and you're gonna see some history, my friends. Come on in! Yeah! We're coming into a bit of a museum here, guys. You know what? There we are right there. There's the picture. We are probably right about here, I would think, right now. Oh, there's something interesting. I tell you. The history is unbelievable. There's the king himself.
Richard Penny. That must be fun. We have to wait.
I tell you. Let's see something neat. Come on over into this picture. My mistake. We are right here, right now. And you know what? I do believe that they sold the tickets right over here out of the manager's office. I'll tell you what, this is pretty wild. Like, a little bit of history about NASCAR. It's got a very interesting start. All these good old boys, they were all moonshiners back in the day. Junior Johnson, I do believe probably Petty, I'm not too sure about that, but I know all these guys.
Dale Earnhardt.
Dale Earnhardt.
Yeah, he died here in Daytona.
He did, eh? Anyways, guys, back in the day, all these NASCAR guys that were all the very beginnings of them, they were all moonshine runners. And they all decided to get together, I guess, one day and start a racing club. Don't know exactly how it went, but there's just a little bit of history there.
What is he, the MC there?
Wow. I'll tell you what, it's definitely interesting. The history here is unbelievable. Wow. Look at this. I'll tell you what, it was rough times back in driving this stuff. It wasn't easy. I tell you what, the heat, the dust, the dirt, no air conditioned suits, no nothing like that. I tell you what, loud, it was quite something. You know, you can just look at these pictures, and I tell you what. Oh, look at there. I do believe, there you go. That's Richard Petty's dad, I do believe. I tell you gotta just know these guys were characters back in the day. You know what, we're coming outside right where the north turn is. Come on outside, guys. Right here, guys, on this very turn, north turn, this is where it happened. The beginning of NASCAR, all the guys and pictures we just seen, they all drove through this strip, every single one of them. Little bit of history, they raced half on the road, and they raced the rest of the way on the beach. They come this way, they went down there. They went from probably dirt to sand, raced on the side of the beach. Baby, we're at the home of the Daytona 500.
Come back if you can, because somebody gets a little bit early.
Had a little meat, put it on there perfectly. Roast beef.
Ooh la la.
Oh. There we go. I tell you what.
Avery.
Hang on a minute. I like it.